Hello and welcome to Bioscience Wisdom. Today we will take a look at lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is like your body's drainage system. It helps to remove extra fluid from your tissues and puts it back into your bloodstream. This system is a crucial component of the circulatory system and the immune system. The circulatory system provides the lymphatic system with a starting point. As blood circulates through the capillaries, it delivers the nutrients and oxygen to the cells and removes waste. At the same time, every day 20 liters plasma, the liquid component of blood, leaks out of the capillaries into the interstitial spaces surrounding the cells. So what happens to this liquid? Approximately 17 liters of plasma reabsorbed back into your capillaries. This means there are still about 3 liters of plasma behind in your body tissues and would cause swelling if accumulated. That's where your lymphatic system steps in. It collects this extra fluid and brings it back to the blood. Unlike the circulatory system, which forms a closed loop of blood vessels, the lymphatic system operates as a one-way system with open ends. It's like a network of highway where traffic only goes in one direction. Because fluid make their way into lymphatic capillaries and all of the collected lymph is dumped into the veins. Lymphatic capillaries are smaller lymphatic vessels with one-way mini-valves made of overlapping endothelial cells. These capillaries are highly permeable that collect excess interstitial fluid. When extra fluid builds up in the tissues, the interstitial pressure is greater than the lymphatic capillary. The mini-valve pushes the cell open, allowing the fluid to enter. But as the pressure in the interstitial is less than lymphatic capillary, the mini-valves are pressed out, keeping the lymph inside the cell closed. After entering the lymphatic vessels, the recovered fluid is referred to as lymph. The movement of lymph is made possible by the same factor that assists in blood circulation within the veins. It goes from smaller lymphatic capillaries to progressively larger lymphatic vessels and ultimately flows into the bloodstream through the subclavian veins. This process helps to maintain fluid balance and facilitates the transportation of nutrients. The lymphatic system also plays an important role in immune function. Lymphatic organs have specific functions related to the production and activation of immune cells and the removal of damaged blood cells. Lymph nodes are small, bean-shaped structure, act as filtering, trapping and removing foreign particles, pathogens such as bacteria and viruses, and cellular debris from the lymph. It also contains immune cells, particularly lymphocytes, which help identify and neutralize harmful substances. Lymph nodes are like security checkpoints in your body. They have special cells, such as macrophages and dendritic cells, which act like garbage disposals and swallow up any harmful invaders like bacteria or viruses that might have slipped in from an infected area. In addition to this, there are lymphocytes, including T cells and B cells, which are like the defenders of your immune system. They play a crucial role in your body's adaptive immune responses, creating customized antibodies and activated lymphocytes that are specifically designed to fight off the invading pathogens. Subsequently, the lymphatic system transports these specialized immune defenders via the bloodstream to locations where intervention is required. Another lymphoid organ, spleen, is an important organ in the human body located in the upper left quadrant of the abdomen, just beneath the ribcage. Spleen helps to filter the blood and plays a role in fighting off infections by detecting and destroying pathogens. The spleen removes old or damaged red blood cells and recycles their components. It also stores platelets and releases them when needed for blood clotting. Another lymphoid organ is thymus. Thymus is a small bilobed organ located in the upper chest, just beneath the breastbone, sternum and in front of the heart. It's responsible for the maturation of T cells, a type of white blood cells essential for the immune response. The thymus produces hormones that aid in T cells development and is most active in childhood and adolescence. Another lymphoid organ, tonsils, are a pair of small, round, fleshy masses of tissues located at the back of your throat. Tonsils serve as a defense mechanism against infections. Tonsils help to trap and filter out harmful bacteria and viruses that enter the throat and mouth, preventing them from entering the respiratory and digestive system. And that's all to say about lymphatic system. Stay tuned for more videos. Stay curious, stay healthy.